Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best way to track side hustle incomes in Lendio. Now, the best way to track side hustle incomes in Lendio is to keep it clearly separated from your main business or personal finance. By isolating income and related expenses, you gain a clear picture of whatever the hustle is actually profitable or whether it's just consuming time and resources. Lendio helps to categorize payments, to track fees, and of course to monitor tax obligations automatically, which of course reduces the risk of missed transactions or misallocated funds. This separation also supports smarter decision making. You can evaluate which side projects are worth scaling, adjust pricing, or just reallocate efforts to more profitable ventures. Keeping side hustle finances transparent makes planning for taxes, savings, and reinvestments a lot easier. Also, preventing confusions while reviewing overall cash flows. Now, with consistent tracking in Lendio, side hustlers can grow their ventures confidently, knowing that the numbers reflect reality rather than just, headcanons and guesswork. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here, useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.